Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix watch video in Facebook. So you can see I don't have this feature here. So just you have to go for your Play Store and you need to update your Facebook if it's not updated. So I have already updated my Facebook. Then after that, go to your Facebook, go to industry line here, then go for settings and privacy, click on settings, then go for navigation bar, click on customize the bar. After that, you have to go for in this video which is hidden now. You have to do it auto or you can do it pin. So just go back and just refresh your Facebook and you can see your watch video is here now and you can see all the videos here. So that's it. This is how you can fix your video, your watch video on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.